you are on an agile journey, and I see many organizations on these agile journeys where the focus is to deliver software faster and focus on business value, well, low-code and no-code can help you enforce some of these core principles, as you saw. They can help you accelerate, obtaining and implementing these core principles, again, with the ultimate goal of delivering business value. Somebody that sits down behind a low-code, no-code tool kind of has business value in his mind by default. We've got data that shows actually that low-code, no-code developers do measure business value much more than developers that are not using no-code, low-code, right? So it kind of pushes that mind shift. Then the next point is that behavioral and cultural change. It's not just about getting trained. It's not just about being coached. But if you're using a no-code, low-code platform, it kind of enforces it, right? Because you're learning by doing, and it forces you to work in a different way, in the ways in which Agile is trying to push, developers and IT organizations and business people to work together in a different way. But on the other hand, right, as you scale more of your no-code, low-code, as I said, working more with IT, there has to be some discipline. There has to be some governance that you have to put in place. You don't want to slow down things or make things harder by adopting a traditional governance approach. I suggest adopt an agile framework, right? Make sure that you're doing it by leveraging some of those practices and principles and making sure you're adhering to all those practices and principles. And, use Scrum, which is a good, summary of ceremonies and practices that can help you scale your low code faster and better. So last thing is, this probably won't work everywhere, right? You have to be selective where you can apply Agile, just as we do the same. Ultimately, anything can be, you can apply Agile to any type of project, but it's a matter of doing it at the right time. You need a certain level of maturity, of skills, and same for low code, right? Make sure you choose the right projects to start with. In some cases, you might want to avoid using these in certain areas of your organizations. Be selective about it, and especially start small and then scale it up.